I'm so sick and tired of these grubs in my garden. They are truly getting on my nerves. And look at this one over here, trying to escape. I'm gonna catch you. But this is the bed that they're living in. So I'm gonna take my time and go through all the soil to make sure there are no grubs living in this soil for this upcoming season. With my homemade sifter and a lot of hard work, I was able to sift through all of this dirt, plus what's in the bucket. And I counted roughly about 35 grubs or so in this bed, but they are no more. They will not destroy my garden this year. So the bed has been degrubbed, soil has been sifted. I have topped off the raised bed with more soil, chicken manure, and blood meal, bone meal, and some crab and lobster shell. This year I'm going to try something different. I am going to place weed paper down to protect the soil, and I'm only going to cut holes where I'm going to be planting my vegetables. Hopefully this will keep the June bugs from laying their eggs in my soil to create more grubs. We will see if this system works this year. I've been dealing with grubs for quite some time. Here is some footage of me finding grubs in a container that I was going to be using to plant my sugar baby watermelons in. And as always, thank you for watching our video. Please be sure to click the like and subscribe button. See you real soon.